Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Irakar Physics Academy. So, wish you happy New Year and happy Pongal for everyone. And అందరికి నూతన సంవత్సర సంక్రాంతి శుభాకాంక్షలు. So today we will discuss about a small topic about mass and weight. What is the difference between mass and weight? Just mass means when we take the mass, it is represented by m. So just quantity of the body is called mass. Just quantity. If you take an object, quantity, the quantity of the body, the quantity. So what we are taking quantity. So quantity of the body, quantity of the body is called quantity of the body is called mass. We are representing mass. We represent by just quantity. We measure the mass with the help of the common balance. Nowadays we are using digital balance also. When we go to the shops, this type of common balance we are observing. So CGS units of the mass, CGS unit is grams. CGS unit is grams and MKS unit is kilogram kg. MKS unit is kilogram kg. This is mass. So what weight? So weight means weight. So weight W is equal to mg. W is equal to mg. We can write weight formula W. The force of attraction towards the earth direction. The force of attraction towards the earth direction is called weight. Weight formula. Weight equal to the gravitational force. So weight equal to the gravitational force. F is equal to mg. Gravitational force equal to the weight of the body. So weight depends on the gravity. So G value constant on the earth surface. So weight is constant on the earth surface. But when we go to the other planet, weight is changing. So mass never be not change, but weight is changing. So when we go to the weight W is equal to mg. Weight depend on the G value. So depend on the G value constant on the earth surface. G value in MKS system 9.8 meter by second square. 9.8 meter by second square. When we measure the weight, so suppose 5 kg mass of the body weight, when we are measuring 5 into 9.8, so 9.8 into 5 weight 49. So we can measure 49 kg weight or newtons. 49 kg weight or newtons. SI of the weight is